Okay, just like it was talked about in the previous slide, we are going to take a sneak peek into next week where we're working with ratios, okay? And remember, a ratio is a comparison of two quantities. So if we're comparing two things, so if you have oranges in your lunch and you also have pretzels in your lunch, you can count them up and you can compare what you have for oranges to pretzels. And there's three different ways you can write them. So that's what we're focusing on today. So we are going to be looking at, write the ratio of spiders to ghosts. So spiders is our first number, and that's the most important thing when writing a ratio, is our first number represents the first object or thing that they want us to represent with a number is the first part of our ratio, okay? So ratio, spiders. We got to count how many spiders we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I have 6 spiders. And remember the word we use is two. Ghosts now. We have to count our ghosts. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 6 to 4. Now our colon is those two dots. So 6 colon. I'll put a space even there so you can see it. 4. And our fraction is 6 slash 4. Or you could write 6 over 4, but you can have 6 slash 4. And that's how you write a ratio in three different ways. It's literally a part and a part put together. Or you can have it as a word form, a colon form, or a fraction form. It's just comparing two things to each other. That's all a ratio is. Okay?